Well, it's me again, Skateboy1231, with another unboxing. My first Zippo lighter.
Why? I mean, this is the only time in our lives that we are allowed to stare at teenage ass. When that guy does it, then it's creepy. Alright, that guy's a
Warnings and stuff.
Look at her, dude. Passing out her precious invitations to the chosen few. And you're cool, and you too, Nazis. Hey, give me a break. No, we don't need that kind of validation from the A-list.
Hey, RJ. Hope you can make it.
Made in USA. Blue.
Give me that. 16. RJ Berger, you are cordially invited to the Pinkerton Tennis Club this Friday at 5 p.m. Blah, blah, blah. G. Swanson's sweet 16 birthday party. Attire.
When I first got it, because I opened it when I first got it, it had a warning sticker right here. Said the same thing this warning said, but just in sticker form.
Jenny Swanson's sweet 16. And it sucks you have to decline, man. I mean, you would go without your boy. Would you? You skinny double-crossing...
Well, I gotta go pick up some lighter.